We'll guide you through how to make a custom mod pack for Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may have gone and found a group of mods you like playing together, and so therefore you want to go make a mod pack with it. We'll guide you through the steps of how this can be done. To get started, let's come out of Minecraft like so. So the best way I found of doing this is with an app. So I'll guide you through how you can go and get this app. To get started, go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll go and open up Chrome. Then what you need to do is come to this search and you want to go and type in CurseForge, like so. You can get loads of mods on there as well as mod packs that we can go and create our own. So come to curseforge.com and you can go to the top right and press Get CurseForge App. And what you can then do is go and find the option Download Standalone. The app is now gone and downloaded. We've got the installer. What we can do is come to File Explorer and you want to come to your downloads, like so. Now, what we need to do is go and install CurseForge, go and double click on it like this. You'll go and get this pop up and you can press next. It's important you go and accept the terms of use and privacy policy and you're at least 18 years old. I've already read them and I can press next and we can then press accept and install if you do. Go and wait for it to download. It's super important to note that for CurseForge to go and work, you need to go and own and have Minecraft installed on your computer. If it isn't, it's not going to go and work. Before we get any further, a big shout out to today's sponsor, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, check them out. I've linked them in the description and the pinned comment. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice, so it's definitely worth checking them out. They've got so many great features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, ultra latency, and so much more as well. So if you're interested, check them out down below. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. To go and continue though, here we are in CurseForge. You need to come to the left and go and select Minecraft. If you can't see it, as I said, make sure you have definitely got it installed. If you do and you fully own it, press the plus to the left and you can go and scan your computer or manually go and add it. Then we can click on it. You can go and see different packs here. I've already gone and added some here, which is why. At the top, you want to go and press browse and you want to go and change mod packs to mods or all. And you want to go and find the first mod you want to add. So let's go and say I wanted to go and do this with just enough items. What I want to do is go and press install to the right. And it's going to go and say, where would you like to install your mod? Wait for this to go and load. We can press create new profile. I'm going to name this GRV pack. Then what you can do is you can go and press create in the bottom right like so. In the meantime though, we can press add more content in the top right and it's going to go and filter to make sure that it's fully compatible. It's added Forge and 1.20.1. So then what you can do is scroll down here and go and find more mods you want to go and add. You can search at the top as well. Let's say I want to go and have waystones. I could press install to the right, which we've now done, and you get the idea. Keep coming through here and adding in the different mods you want to go and add. And then what I can do is go and press the back button in the top left and we can go and see the mods here. All you need to do is go and press play and it's going to go and download what it needs to. The Minecraft launcher will open and you can press play. Confirm you're playing a modified version of Minecraft. And here we are. Then what I can do is go and press mods and we can see the different mods we've added to our custom pack.